Oh, by the way, I'm Rachel's sister.
Wait, what do I do with the marker?
I don't care. Just come on. Woohoo!
Wow, that was boring. Let's get something more fun.
Okay, let's introduce you to what we were trying to do.
Yes.
We were trying to do this Domino Rally Galaxy Explorer set thingamajigger. But we failed, so we made that. And then we made that.
Ta-da!